all of them. All of Jessica's family are missing and they've been kidnapped. And I can't believe it. What am I gonna do? I have nowhere to go. It's all my fault. And they say that it's someone that Jessica's dad wants defended, but he still went to court anyway. He still went to prison anyway. Now he's out looking for revenge. The thing is that I should have been with all of them. They went out to eat at a restaurant. I was going to go with them, but my mother called. And she was feeling lonely, so instead I thought I'd spend the evening with her. And the Ortiz family went to the restaurant and they never returned. The police think it's just another Mexican kidnapping, Mexico City kidnapping. But what if it isn't?